Hey everyone, it's the host here, and welcome back to our channel where we explore the wonders of science. Today's video is all about 10 amazing science facts that the world learned in 2023. This year has been full of incredible scientific discoveries, and we cannot wait to share them with you. So, let's jump right in. Fact 1. Scientists have discovered that there might be water on Jupiter's moon, Europa. That's right, folks. It appears that with the help of a specialized telescope, scientists have detected what appears to be a water plume on Europa. This is an exciting discovery because this potentially means that there might be life on that moon. Fact 2. A new method has been created to remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The impact of climate change has been a pressing issue over the years, but scientists have been developing new solutions. This new method has been shown to significantly reduce the carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere. Fact 3. A new plant species has been discovered in the rainforests of South America. With new and advanced methods of exploring nature, we are discovering countless new species of plants and animals that we never even knew existed. This new plant species has the potential to be used for medicinal purposes and has valuable properties that scientists are beginning to explore. Fact 4. The human brain has the potential to detect emotions in others without even being aware of it. The human brain continues to be one of the most fascinating objects to study. This incredible development suggests that we are constantly detecting and responding to the emotions of those around us, letting us understand their emotional state, even if we do not realize it. Fact 5. Scientists have successfully used CRISPR Cas9 gene therapy to treat previously untreatable genetic disorders. Gene therapy is an exciting field of study where scientists are now developing the power to modify genes to cure genetic illnesses. CRISPR-Cas9 is one of the most powerful tools in this field, and its successful use in the treatment of genetic disorders has been incredibly inspiring. Fact 6. The amount of plastic waste in the ocean has been reduced by 50%. That is an astonishing discovery and shows that we are finally making headway when it comes to ocean conservation. This new development shows that collective action can genuinely make positive changes to the environment. Fact 7. A new type of super-efficient solar panel has been invented. As the world continues to develop renewable energy solutions, this super-efficient solar panel could be a game changer, creating the potential for clean, sustainable, and affordable energy. Fact 8. A new photo was released of the first black hole to be seen. This phenomenal achievement was incredible for scientists, as this photo confirmed the existence of black holes and shed light on the mysteries of outer space. Fact 9. A new study has found that dogs have the ability to self-diagnose diseases. Who would have known that our furry companions had such remarkable abilities? This new development shows that dogs can identify certain scents that suggest illnesses, helping them to self-diagnose and even seek treatment. Fact 10. A new microscopic organism has been discovered in Antarctica. Antarctica continues to surprise us with countless discoveries of new and stunning specimens. This small, unidentified organism was discovered in the depths of Antarctica, and scientists continue to study it. And there you have it. Some of the most incredible scientific discoveries that the world learned in 2023. With so many incredible developments happening all around us, we look forward to what the future of science has in store. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.